Have you ever turned the key and your engine just keeps cranking? Or maybe your car suddenly loses power, starts misfiring, or the check engine light appears for no obvious reason. The problem might not be your spark plugs or fuel injectors. It could be a failing camshaft position sensor. This small sensor plays a critical role in helping your engine run efficiently. When it starts to fail, it can cause poor performance, hard starting, and even leave you stranded. In today's video, we'll cover 5 common signs of a bad camshaft position sensor, explain why they happen, and most importantly, show you what to do before the problem gets worse. Let's get started. 1. Check engine light turns on. The most common warning sign is an illuminated check engine light. Your vehicle's engine control module constantly monitors signals from the camshaft position sensor. If the sensor starts sending incorrect information, or stops sending data altogether, the computer stores a fault code and turns on the warning light. Common diagnostic trouble codes include P0340, P0341, P0342, P0343, P0344. Keep in mind, a check engine light doesn't automatically mean the camshaft sensor is bad. These codes simply point you toward the system that needs inspection. What to do? Start by scanning your vehicle with an OBD2 scanner. Read the trouble codes before replacing any parts. Inspect the sensor connector for corrosion, loose terminals, damaged wiring, or oil contamination. Sometimes, a poor electrical connection is the only problem. 2. Hard starting or no start. A failing camshaft sensor often makes your vehicle difficult to start. The engine computer relies on information from the camshaft and crankshaft sensors to determine exactly when to inject fuel and fire the spark plugs. When the camshaft sensor sends incorrect data, the timing becomes inaccurate. As a result, the engine may crank for several seconds before starting. In severe cases, the engine may crank normally but refuse to start altogether. This symptom often becomes worse when the engine is warm. What to do first? Inspect the sensor wiring for damage. Check that the connector is fully seated. Use a scan tool to monitor live camshaft sensor data. If the signal disappears while cranking, replacing the sensor is usually the best solution. 3. Engine misfires or rough idle. Another common symptom is rough idling or random engine misfires. Since the computer no longer knows the exact position of the camshaft, fuel injection and ignition timing become less accurate. You may notice rough idle, engine shaking, hesitation, random misfires, vibrations at stoplights. Many drivers replace spark plugs or ignition coils first, only to discover the real issue was the camshaft sensor. What to do? Check for loose connectors. Inspect ignition components. Use a scan tool to verify camshaft synchronization. If timing data is unstable, replace the faulty sensor. 4. Poor acceleration and reduced fuel economy. Has your vehicle become sluggish? Does it hesitate when you press the accelerator? A failing camshaft sensor can cause delayed throttle response because the engine computer isn't receiving accurate timing information. To protect the engine, the computer may reduce performance. You may also notice slow acceleration, reduced engine power, poor fuel economy, delayed throttle response. Some vehicles may even enter limp mode. What to do? Scan the vehicle for stored codes. Inspect wiring around the sensor. Check live sensor readings while accelerating. If the sensor signal drops out or becomes erratic, replacement is recommended. 5. Engine stalls. While driving, the final and most serious symptom is engine stalling. If the engine control module suddenly loses the camshaft signal, it may stop controlling fuel injection correctly. The engine can suddenly lose power or shut off completely. This can happen while idling, during slow traffic, or even while driving at highway speeds. Besides being inconvenient, this can also become a serious safety hazard. What to do? If your vehicle stalls repeatedly, don't ignore it. Scan for diagnostic codes immediately. Inspect the wiring harness for damage caused by heat or vibration. Replace the sensor if testing confirms failure. After installation, clear the fault codes and road test the vehicle to verify the repair. Let's quickly recap the 5 warning signs of a bad camshaft position sensor. Check engine light, hard, starting or no start. rough idle and engine misfires, poor acceleration and reduced fuel economy, engine stalling. If you notice one or more of these symptoms, don't wait until your vehicle leaves you stranded. Diagnosing the problem early can save you money, improve engine performance, and help prevent more expensive repairs down the road. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to FixPro Garage